In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to delete the Valorant Vanguard. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. It's a very quick 3-step process to completely delete Vanguard from your computer. First of all, click this little arrow at the right side of your screen to bring up the system tray. In here, make sure you right-click Riot Vanguard if it's still running and you select Exit before proceeding through with this video. After you properly exit Vanguard through this menu, open up the Windows Start menu and look for Add or Remove a Program at the search bar. You will be redirected to the control panel where you will be able to see everything installed in your computer. All you have to do in this page is look for Riot Vanguard and uninstall it through here. Click Yes for the warning that appears, and the next step is to restart your computer. The process will not work if you don't restart your computer after deleting Vanguard. Once you are done restarting your computer, what you have to do now is open up the main drive on your computer. In there, go to the Program Files folder, either this one or x86, and open it up. Now find the Riot Vanguard folder and make sure you right-click it and delete that as well. After that, Vanguard will be completely uninstalled from your computer. I hope I was able to help you on how to delete Riot Vanguard. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.